Ingredients: coriander, garlic, water. Garlic is another ingredient that can support collagen stimulation. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can aid in collagen synthesis and protect existing collagen fibers from damage. Garlic also contains trace amounts of nutrients like manganese and vitamin C, which are essential for collagen production. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is a herb commonly used in cooking. It contains antioxidants that can help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to collagen degradation and premature aging of the skin. By neutralizing these free radicals, coriander can help maintain collagen integrity and promote healthy skin.